Did you know there's a ton of hidden unreleased features inside of Go HighLevel that you can access right now if you have the $297 per month agency plan? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Like I said, you do need to be on what is now called the unlimited plan here in HighLevel for $297 per month. In my opinion, it's completely worth the cost. Should be a lot more expensive, but I'm not complaining. Now, inside of that, you need to be in your agency dashboard. If you're an agency user, you're already familiar with this. You have your sub accounts and you have your agency dashboard. So as you can see, I'm not in a sub account right now. I'm in my agency dashboard. I scrolled all the way down in the left-hand menu to settings, and inside of settings, I went to labs. Now, by default, when you open up labs, you're on the agency section. And labs is basically, as you can see, Go HighLevel's beta program. Everything that they're working on that is not yet released but is usable, you can actually access early. Now on the agency side, there's some cool stuff, but it's super, super limited. And it took me a while to realize that you can toggle here to sub account, and this is where the fun stuff is. Scroll through here and you can see what's live, you can see what's coming soon, when it's going live. This just means that it's gonna automatically be deployed to all sub accounts on whatever date here. So in this case, December 1st in 25 days. But if I wanted to go ahead and, let's say, install the new updated workflow builder, I could search in here for workflow. And here we see the new advanced workflow builder. This new workflow builder is awesome. I'm gonna have a video coming on it soon. But all I would have to do here is click activate feature and choose what sub accounts I wanna put it into. Now, I recommend setting yourself up with a demo account so you can start playing around with these new features. But point being, if you are not taking advantage of the GHL labs, let this be your sign to do so. This is a very easy way for you to do a few things. First of all, get ahead of the game. You can see a lot of this stuff is not coming for 10, 30, 60 days. You can start implementing it and mastering it early ahead of most users. Second thing is you can put all of these into your SaaS user accounts or your agency sub accounts for your clients. Super easy way to add additional value to your clients and allow them to get ahead of the game. What I would suggest is if you're running an agency or a SaaS, put these in your demo account, learn how to use them, learn the new features, learn the new value, make guides on them, install them into your client and SaaS user accounts with that guide and give them the guide. Trust me, people love you when you do this kind of stuff. It shows that you are ahead of the game. It shows that you are adding value. You are showing them how to be ahead of the game, and it's such tremendous value and really helps with client retention and SaaS user retention. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. You can also reach out via email. I have a ton of free GHL resources in the link down below. Everything's free. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. More fun guides coming soon. Peace.